In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add collaborators in Google Forms with other teachers by adding collaborators. This is a great way to work together and ensure everyone can contribute to creating and managing forms. Let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to Google Drive. This is where all your Google documents, forms, and files are stored. Once Google Drive is open, click on the Apps section. This area gives you access to all Google applications, including Google Forms. From the Apps menu, select Forms. This will take you to the Google Forms interface, where you can create a new form or choose an existing one. Browse through your saved forms and select the form you want to share. Properly naming your files makes this step much easier and saves time. After opening the form, look for the Share icon in the top right corner and click on it. This option allows you to manage who can view or edit your form. Before adding collaborators, make sure there are no unnecessary sharing restrictions. This ensures smooth access for everyone involved. Next, enter the email addresses of the teachers or collaborators you want to add. Be sure to type carefully and double-check for any spelling errors. Once the email addresses are added, choose the appropriate access level. Select Editor if you want collaborators to be able to make changes and suggestions. After confirming everything is correct, click Send. This will send collaboration invitations to the selected users. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation allowing them to access and edit the form. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google form with other teachers by adding collaborators. This simple process helps improve teamwork and makes collaboration more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!